I just purchased the Impact dog crate, the collapsible model. I'm going to do a review, just some of the pros and cons of this particular model. The biggest benefit to me is just the portability, to be able to break it down, put it back together so quickly. It's very compact, lightweight. This is the one I bought was the intermediate size. I'll show you how break it down, put it back together really quickly. To me, the other benefit is just the style, the look of it. I like the way that everything, the fit and finish is really good. The butterfly latches work really well. The color options are really cool online for the choices available. The other thing is, to me, the con, I think, is the noise level. You know, it's made out of aluminum, which is good. It doesn't rust, but it can be noisy, like at the bottom of the crate with the dog's paws at the bottom. I think that just a blanket or a pad down at the bottom would help with that, for sure. But other than that, I think that's the only con for me, just the initial impression. If you like the review, just click on the link down below. You can get a 25% discount directly through the website through Impact Dog Crates, and a small percentage of that would go to me for the review. I hope you like the review. Thanks.